Hey guys, in this topic, I'm going to explain how to manage network security. To start, we have to copy this lab start net security review, paste it inside this terminal, click enter. Okay, while that's loading, we're just gonna read from the workstation. First is your company decided to run a new web application. This application listens on the 80 TCP and 1001 TCP ports. All changes that you make must persist across a reboot. Okay, okay. So what we're gonna do is to first curl this website. Hold on, let me copy this and paste it right here. Okay, once it's pasted, we can click enter. Okay, as you can see, it is failed to connect to server B. Okay, so next, let us test this server. First, you type in curl, then paste it in, and click enter. Okay, now it still will not connect. So first, you are going to log into your student server B, click enter. Okay, so first you have to determine whether the HTTPD service is active. So what you can do is enter system ctl is dash active HTTPD and click enter. Okay, as you can see, it is inactive. So to enable and start the HTTPD service, the HTTPD service fails to start. So we will type in sudo systemctl enable, wrong spelling, enable dash now HTTPD and click enter. The password is student. Now, as you can see, it is still failing. So we have to investigate why the HTTPD service fails to start. So what you can type in is system status, systemctl status, HTTPD that service. Click enter. Okay, let us see where it is wrong here. Okay, it's a failed result. November 27. We'll just okay. 13 permission denied. Oops, we scrolled way too far. Could not bind to address 1001 and okay. Also, no listing sucks. Listening sucks. It's and shutting down. Okay, we're just gonna exit this. Press escape, or rather Control C to clear. Okay. Now we check whether the Linux is blocking the HTTPD service from binding to port 1001 dash TCP. So you type in sudo se alert dash a. Okay. Okay. slash var slash log slash audit log that log. Press enter. Wait for that to be done. And we shall wait. Okay, there we go. Okay, let's scroll up a bit. Scroll. Okay, here. CLNX is preventing user when accessing the port 1001. Okay. Then cmanage port dash A 101, where port type is one of the following: HTTP, super port, or puppet port, rather. Okay. Okay, let's type in sudo se manage port dash L, then grep quotes HTTP. Oops. And press enter. Okay, as we can see, HTTP port T. Okay, 8081. Okay, now we can type in sudo se manage port dash A dash T HTTP underscore port underscore T dash P TCP 1001. We can enter that and we shall wait. Okay. Next, we should confirm that the port is bound to the HTTP port type. So we can do that by sudo se manage port dash L grep single quotes HTTP underscore port underscore T, and press enter. HTTP port TCP 1001. Okay. Now we will enable and start the HTTPD service. So to do that, we go sudo systemctl enable dash dash now HTTPD. Okay, let me check that if I did some errors. Systemctl enable. Okay, we're good. Now we click enter. And now we shall verify the running state of the HTTPD service. We can do that by typing systemctl is dash active HTTPD. Okay, enter. Wait, I did something wrong. Oh, I made a space. Okay, enter again. Okay, now it is active. And let's do another one. Check if it is enabled. Enter. Okay, now it is enabled. Now we have to return to the workstation machine as a student user. So we enter exit. Okay. Okay, now from the workstation, we have to test again access to the default web server. So to test access, what we did earlier was curl, and we're gonna copy this. Whoops. Sample.com and enter. Okay, now it shows server B. Now we have to test access to the 1001 virtual host. Whoops, I forgot to enter curl. Let me just do that and enter. Okay, so no route to host. So it still continues to fail. So let us go back into the student server. Student at server B. Press enter. We have to verify that the default firewall zone is set to public zone. So to do that, we go firewall dash cmd space dash dash get dash default dash zone. So we will check. Okay, it is in public. So now what we have to do is, let me check the instructions. Okay. Okay, now it is in public. So we're gonna go now to sudo firewall dash cmd dash dash permanent dash zone equal to public dash dash list dash all. Okay, the password is student. Okay, we're gonna check the ports. We're just gonna check this for a while. Yeah, it ports. Okay, we're gonna add sudo firewall dash cmd permanent zone equals public. So sudo firewall dash cmd dash dash permanent dash dash zone equals public. Well, okay. I'm gonna press enter here. Then you are going to dash dash add dash port equals 1001 slash tcp and press enter. Okay, it's a success. Now we reload the firewall configuration by typing sudo firewall dash cmd dash reload and click enter again, and it's another success. Now we have to verify the configuration. We go back to sudo firewall dash cmd dash dash permanent dash dash zone equals public space list all and enter. Okay, as you can see, ports now has 1001 TCP. Okay, now what? We will exit, and now we shall test it again. We shall curl again HTTP. Now let's just copy that. Sorry, curl. Press enter. Okay, we're going to server B. Now let's curl the host. Click enter. Okay, now we are in vhost 1. So now it works. Now we know it works. Now let's just test it out if we done this test, this review right. Let's evaluate. Success. Okay, we are passed. So that is it, guys. If you want more videos, please click like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you. And don't forget to love finish.